Good morning, students. How are you all? It's 6th of April, and today we are going to do the topic How can energy change? I want you all to open page number 458 of your textbooks. On this page, we have the topic How can energy change? Energy can move from one object to another. When you roll a bowling ball, you transfer energy from your body to the ball. When the ball hits the pins, it transfers energy to the pins. The pins move. Now here they are saying that energy can move. Energy can move from one object to another object. For example, if you have a bowling ball and you roll it on the ground, so you are actually applying some force on the ball, and as a result, the ball moves. So what does it? What's that? It's actually you are transferring some energy from your hand to the ball. You are transferring energy from your hand to the ball. Now the ball moves, the ball rolls on, and the ball hits the pins. The pins fall. It means that the pins were not moving when the ball hits the pins. It transfer energy. The ball transfers energy to the pins so that the pins move, so that the pins fall. So energy was actually in your hand. You transfer energy to the ball hits the pins, so the ball transfers energy to the pins. So in this way, this is just one example. From this example we got to know that energy transfers from one object to the other. In the second paragraph, energy can also change form. Rub your hands together. What do you notice? They get warmer. Now this is the example we have done before in the topic of friction, that when you rub your hands get warmer. Why? Because from friction we know that when one object slides on the other object, a force of friction happens over there. When you rub your hands together, this usually we do in the winters. When we rub our hands get warmer. Why? Because your moving hands have energy. As friction slows your hands down, some of that energy is changed into heat. Because when we rub our hands, friction is done, and because of that friction, some energy is converted into heat, and because of that, our hands get warmer. Now here, my dear students, here the topic is completed, the lesson is completed. The next lesson we will start inshallah tomorrow. Now I want you to open your workbooks because we have to finish some pages of the workbooks. I want you to open your workbooks, page number 216. Workbooks, page 216. On this page, we have some fill in the blanks. Number 1, in science, work is done when a force changes the motion of an object. Number 2, picking up a book is work because a force is used and the book moves. Number 3, dropping a book is work because gravity changes the motion of the book. Number 4, work is not done on an object when you push it and it does not move. Number 5, picking up a boulder is more work than picking up a pebble. Number 6, people need energy to do work. Number 7, the ability to do work is a way to describe energy. Number 8, energy makes it possible for changes in motion to take place. Number 9, the two main forms of energy are potential energy and kinetic energy. Page 217. Number 10, a flying plane has kinetic energy because it is moving. 11, energy that is stored is potential energy. 12, a ball at the top of a hill has potential energy because of its position. 13. As the ball rolls down the hill, its potential energy changes into kinetic energy. Number 14. When wood or food is burned, its potential energy changes into kinetic energy. 15. Energy can change from one form to another. 16. You transfer energy from your body to a bowling ball when you roll the ball down an alley. Page number 218. Energy that is released when you rub your hands together. The answer is heat, D. Number 2. Energy that is ready to be used. Answer is potential energy, F. Number 3. A force that works to slow your hands when you rub them together. Answer is friction, B. Number 4. Energy in running water. Answer is kinetic energy, E. Number 5. The ability to do work. Answer is energy, A. Number 6. When a force changes an object's motion. Answer is work, G. A force that causes an object on earth to fall. Answer is gravity, friction. Page number 219. In science, work is done only when a force changes the motion of an object. If you pick up a pencil from the floor, you have done work. That is because a force moved the pencil. If you drop the pencil, more work has been done. By dropping the pencil, you allowed the force of gravity to change the pencil's motion. In order to do work, you need energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Energy is